In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blog posts using MailerLite's blog page builder. Let's dive right in and start with the basics of setting up your blog page. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to MailerLite's official website. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page. Here you have the convenient option of signing in with Google. If you haven't linked your Google account yet, that's something you'll definitely want to consider for ease of use in the future. After you've successfully signed into your account, direct your gaze to the top navigation bar and click on the Sites tab. This will bring up all the sites you currently have under your account. Now we'll move on to creating a new site specifically for your blog. Look for the Create Site button and give it a click. It's time to get a bit creative. A pop-up window will prompt you to enter a site name. Choose something memorable and relevant to the content you plan to publish. After naming your site, hit Save and Continue. This step finalizes the initial setup and prepares your new site. Now, you'll be asked to select a group. Groups are essentially ways to segment your content audience, which is particularly useful if you manage several types of content or audiences. Once you've selected a group, click Continue to move to the next step. Next, it's template time. You'll find the option to view all templates on the page. Clicking here will provide you with a range of layouts to choose from. For a blog, you'll want to zero in on the blog template. Select it to open up your editing options. Now that you've chosen your template, hit choose to set it up as your site's design. At this point, it's a fantastic idea to personalize your blog. This is your chance to add a bit of your personality and branding. You can tweak the colors, fonts, and even images to best represent your brand. Don't be afraid to spend a little time here making sure everything is aligned with your vision. Once satisfied with how your blog looks, click Done Editing to finalize your design. With the design done, navigate to landing page URL, then confirm the URL you'd like for this blog page. Customizing the URL can help with searchability, so make sure it's clean and easy for your audience to remember. It's also a good idea to update the favicon for your blog. A favicon is a small icon that appears in web browsers when your site is bookmarked or visited. It's another way to enhance your brand presence. Finally, click Save and Continue to wrap up the process, and there you have it. With just a few clicks and some creative flair, you've successfully created a blog page using MailerLite's builder. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy blogging!